Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we have a very unfortunate video, and it is very bad news for any driver or anyone who works in this industry. It's very unfortunate that we have lost one of our fellow drivers, and it's basically as bad as it possibly could have been. My condolences go out for the Nojoku, I hope I'm saying the last name, Nojoku family. Basically, a Doordash driver was killed in Maryland just yesterday morning. This article came out 8 hours ago. Noel Njoku, a 48-year-old Doordash driver, was shot and killed while delivering Doordash early Thursday morning. Now, I always stop to think, like, what would even make someone, like, it's a delivery driver. Why? What? Like, how unfortunate could you be to be in this situation where, like, it just doesn't add up. There's no way that he was targeted at all or anything. It just had to be random. I don't know. There's no gang violence or anything related like that. It's just straight up he just was killed, and it shows, like, the house where he was delivering, and it's kind of in the middle of the, it looks like in the middle of the woods, you know? It's not like it was a ghetto area. Maybe it was ghetto. I don't know. I don't really know. This is like, I don't know. It's Maryland. I don't know how ghetto Maryland is. But okay. So basically, DoorDash driver was shot, found in car while delivering food to home. A DoorDash driver was shot and killed while making a delivery early Thursday morning, Maryland police said. Like, before we get into this article, this is just a reminder to everyone of how precious your time can be, and this is another reason why we got to really stand up and not take crappy orders, because clearly DoorDash doesn't value you at all if they're paying you $2.25 and relying basically on the customer to pay for, or basically you're basically relying 100% on the tip. So, like, this is why you really got to take into consideration where you're driving. Like, I've delivered to very ghetto areas, and I will never do it again. There's been a few times where I've had guns pulled on me and stuff, and I just will not go to those areas anymore. Like in Las Vegas, the areas that I would probably stay away from is like East Las Vegas. Some areas can be nice, but the majority I probably would stay away from it. Or anything like North Las Vegas, I would just stay the hell away from those areas. No offense if you live in those areas, because I know some of you probably do. But basically, okay, so it says, police in Prince George's responded to a Mitchville residential area around 12:20 a.m. 12:20 a.m. Okay, when they said morning, Thursday morning, I was thinking that it was actually the morning. That's at night, you know, like, it's technically morning, but this is another reason why you should definitely probably reconsider delivering super late at night, because generally nothing really good happens super late at night. It can be super dangerous. Like, you could just be in the wrong area. Unfortunate things like this happen all the time. It's hard for me to make these kinds of videos, but I feel like I need to put these out so people understand the dangers that go into being a delivery driver. You're just putting yourself into all kinds of random situations that you don't choose to. You just happen to be delivering someone's food to this strange area. Maybe you've never been there. Maybe you don't even know that it's a bad area. I'm sure this guy didn't know it was a bad area, or he probably wouldn't have gone there. I don't think he probably thought twice about this. So this just goes to show you anything can happen at any time, and you really got to protect yourself and to protect yourself to the best standard that you feel comfortable, you know, whether it's if you're carrying, make sure you obviously know how to use a firearm, or if it's pepper spray, make sure you know how that works. Like, there's a lot of people carry weapons and they probably don't know how to actually use them. If you are going to carry, make sure you do it responsibly. And first off, let me know in the comments down below, how do you guys protect yourselves? We did this the other day, but I just like to follow up and see what do you guys do. Are you doing nothing? Do you have nothing in your car? Are you carrying a gun? Someone even said that they were wearing body armor the other day in one of the comments, and I was like, yeah, it's kind of crazy, but Obviously, this story kind of makes it not sound so crazy that someone was wearing body armor. And protect yourselves at all costs and whatever you have to do. You know, I don't expect you to treat it like you're a policeman or anything, but you can be put in some pretty sketchy situations. This is the second delivery driver that has died this year that we know of. There's probably been more. Police in Prince George's County responded to a Mitchellville residential area around 12:20 a.m. for reports of a man suffering from gunshot wounds. Officers found the 48-year-old man, Noel Njoku, who they say has been delivering food when he was shot multiple times, according to police. What did they want? Did they want to steal the food or what? I don't get it. Njoku had taken, I apologize if I'm murdering his name, but it's Njoku. Njoku was taken to a local hospital where he died from his injuries. Police said a suspect has not been publicly identified and a motive for the shooter is still unclear. I know the Doordash guy was delivering food for my sister, said the resident. Again, like, this looks like a house that's like literally in the middle of the woods. It doesn't look like there's anything around it. Not really. I don't really know Maryland very well, so I don't really know the area, whether it's a city or what it was. I know it can be kind of sketchy, actually, now that I think about it. Baltimore probably isn't the greatest area, but I don't know. Let me know where you guys are. Let me know in the comments down below where you guys are delivering, and where is the sketchy area that you guys don't like to go to. And that was it. I don't know anything else. Wendy Kaiser, who sometimes stays in the house, told WUSA. Njoku of Springdale was a father of 4 children. That is so sad. 15 and 13-year-old daughters and 11-year-old twin boys. He and his wife, Noella, had been married for 19 years, the TV station said. I just want an answer. Who killed my husband, leaving my 4 children with me? Who killed my husband? Noel Njoku said to WUSA. In a statement, WJLA Doordash said, it is deeply saddened by the senseless act of violence. Of course. Our hearts go out to Mr. Njoku's loved ones for the incredible, difficult time, Doordash said. The safety of our community is paramount, and we immediately reached out to law enforcement to offer our assistance in any way we can. We are also in touch with his family and our full support. Let me know what you guys think DoorDash should do. I think at least bare minimum pay for the wedding, but seeing how much DoorDash makes, I feel like they should really like help out this family. Like, it would just be such a good thing for them to do. I know that they probably don't want to, but I don't know. It would be a very nice thing for them to do. Mr. Tony Zhu, we're calling you out. Help this family out. Give them some money. Do whatever you possibly can. Like, this is so sad. We're also in touch with his family to extend our full support. Njoku, described as a peace-loving person, moved to the United States from Nigeria decades ago and only recently began working for DoorDash. Honestly, I'm going to start crying. This is so damn sad. Police are asking anyone for information who knows about the shooting on to contact detectives at 301-516-2512. Now, I doubt anyone has any information, but if you do, please reach out to that number. The area that Njoku was shot is about 15 miles east of Washington, D.C. Is that the end of the article? That is the end of the article. Yeah, man, things like this are just so sad, and like, it's just so sad. This saddens me so much to hear these kinds of things happening. And like, the guy, he's an immigrant from Nigeria. I really doubt the guy had any kind of trouble at all. 48-year-old man from Nigeria. Had to be as innocent as possible in my opinion. Like, I wonder if he was defending himself or if they tried to mug him or what it was. I wish we had some kind of information, but these kind of things just it just makes me so sad that people have the heart to do something as bad as that. You know, it's ridiculous. So anyway, so I just felt like I needed to share this story to kind of remind you guys how dangerous this job can be and to try to keep yourself out of sketchy situations. I've personally been put in 3 extremely sketchy situations where my life could have been ended just delivering DoorDash. All 3 of these were delivering DoorDash. So it's not like it doesn't happen. It happens all the time, and I guarantee almost all of you have been in sketchy situations where you're like, ooh, this probably isn't a good spot to be in, delivering. Like, I am so picky on areas that I deliver to now, and it's literally only in, like, my surrounding area, and I don't have any bad areas around me, really. I personally think I live in one of the best parts of Las Vegas, so super sad. Anyways, if you guys enjoy these videos and updates at all, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully everyone is having a better day, and prayers go out to his family. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.